I remember when I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't have a lot of traction. I didn't have a lot going on my channel, and I kept pumping out videos and just nothing would happen. And so I then began to ask myself, what should I actually be working on my YouTube channel when I don't have a lot going on? So in today's video, I want to show you how you can set up your YouTube channel for future success, even if you don't have a lot going on your YouTube channel. Hey big shots, welcome to the channel. My name is Daniel Ford and I help motivated entrepreneurs master the strategies of YouTube for their business so that they can get fresh leads and profits. Some YouTubers would probably just say you probably need to work on your channel branding, like your color photo, picking out your channel colors, making sure that your thumbnails are actually consistent. But I want to share with you guys some tips that are actually a little different than just the normal branding stuff. If I was in your shoes and I didn't have a lot going on my YouTube channel, I think one of the first steps that I would take is setting up your systems on your channel. Maybe making sure you have all your checklists for your thumbnails, on how you're going to upload your video and how you're going to edit your video, how you're going to shoot your video, everything all put together, making sure that you have a clear system in place. If you don't have that clear system, then it's going to be pretty frustrating if you do get really busy on your YouTube channel. If they're expecting you to post every week and you're getting far behind, you're like, what do I do? I have an efficient system that I use that helps my YouTube channel stay focused and stay up to date. I use a CRM called Trello, and Trello is completely free. It's a great system for if you're just starting out on YouTube because you can use this to organize your videos in a really good fashion. I use Trello from the very start of content creation. I use it for scripting my videos, to doing the SEO on my videos, the title, the thumbnail, the description. It helps me keep track of where all my videos are at in the video editing process. And because I batch my videos, it's important that I have this system set up so I can keep track of what videos I've done and also to make sure that my videos are going to be done on time. So keep this in mind when your channel does take off. How are you going to capitalize on that? And the best way you can capitalize on that and to stay up to speed with what everyone's wanting on your channel is to have systems in place for your channel. I think the second step that I would work on is, if I didn't have much going on my channel, is I would work on my affiliate links. I want to start setting up all the affiliate links for my channel, because if I get all of these affiliate links for my cameras, for my microphone, and for my lights, and people are actually I know that a lot of YouTubers, when they do go viral, people ask them, what cameras are you using? What lights are you using? You know, what stabilizer or gimbal are you using to walk around and talk on your camera, kind of like this? You know, when people ask those questions, they're actually inquiring because they want to actually buy stuff for their YouTube channel as well, and they want to know the best stuff that they can get. I know that if you could set that up for your YouTube channel right now, then when you have it on all of your videos, all your affiliate links and everything on there, so when someone actually makes a purchase of that camera, of the link down in the description, then you'll actually be making money off of that. And when someone actually binge watches your videos, they can look at that link in your videos and quickly and easily buy the camera or whatever you have in there. So I think that's one of the goals that I'm going to be setting up right now, and I would recommend that for you as well, is I would set up your affiliate links right now. One of the major things that I've been working on, and I haven't really announced on this channel yet, is my Big Shot Accelerator program. And this is the program that I use to help other YouTube channels that have businesses that want to grow on YouTube. I teach them how to attract their ideal audience on their YouTube channel. I teach them how to rank on page 1 of YouTube and Google. I as well teach them how to scale their business beyond just ranking their YouTube videos and attracting people, and I actually capitalize on that and actually turn their YouTube channel into a business and sell their product. So I think that's one of the most important things, is making sure all that stuff is set up. Don't just wait for you to go viral and say, oh, well, I'll create my online course when my channel gets bigger, or I'll create my product when my channel gets bigger. I'd work on this stuff now, and you just need to test this stuff to make sure that it's actually working. So that's one thing, is I'd work on your sources of income for your channel to make sure that your channel is all set up for success. So the third and final step that I want to share with you guys is making sure that you're educating yourself. And this doesn't just mean watching YouTube videos and educating yourself in that way. Actually spend some quality money on a good course online. Maybe it could teach you on how to do better video editing, so that way you can spaz up your YouTube videos and make them a lot better so you can get your audience to stay longer. Another thing you could do is you could probably take a business course so you can learn maybe how to grow your business online using YouTube in some way. And if you're still struggling with growing your business online using YouTube, or you just want to know how to actually rank your videos online on YouTube, be sure to check out this playlist, which I'll link right here, which teaches you the exact process to rank on YouTube. It shows you how to find the most searched topics on YouTube, shows you how to tag your videos, how to find out the right titles for your videos, all those things that can really help you grow your YouTube channel in the beginning. And be sure to subscribe down below if you haven't done that yet, and I'll see you next time, big shots.